prices spiked right after OPEC Plus published its output data for May. It turned out that the cartel has slashed production by almost 500,000 barrels per day and thus reducing supply in the global oil market. According to recent forecasts published by major investment banks, oil supply was supposed to stay at the same level in the near term. And these predictions sent oil prices down. And now oil traders are revising their strategies and relying on actual producer data rather than forecasts. However, Brent may struggle to return to $78 per barrel as the fears of a subdued demand and a looming recession still weigh on the market. The future trajectory of oil prices will largely depend on the crude inventories data from the United States. If they continue to decline, oil may recover back to the level of $78 and even rise to $80 per barrel. In the meantime, gold traders were closely monitoring the U.S. inflation data released yesterday. Despite a sharp slowdown in the consumer prices, gold slipped to $1,940 per troy ounce at one point and then rebounded to stabilize near the level of $1,950 per troy ounce. Today, investors anticipate the statement by Fed Chair Jerome Powell at the FOMC meeting. Following fresh data on inflation, markets expect the regulator to start lowering interest rates. If this scenario comes true, gold will hit for the level of $2,000 per troy ounce. But for now, investors are avoiding risks while waiting for the Fed's decision. Following the release of the US CPI data yesterday, gold got stuck in the sideways channel between $1,940 and $1,980. As for the Russian currency, it continues to fall, pressured by worries over a sharp decline in Russia's trade balance surplus. At the same time, the financial authorities may view the weakening of the ruble as a positive factor. The Bank of Russia, however, assured investors that it won't allow the ruble to ease sharply. For this, the regulator will consider a possible rate hike at its next policy meeting, and the central bank will most likely try to bring the ruble to the rate of 85 against the US dollar. But until then, the ruble may depreciate to the level of 90 against the greenback. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets, subscribe to our channel and follow the news with us. See you soon.